Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 407 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have such an exciting collaboration to try out. This is the e.l.f. and Jkissa Retractable Gel Eyeliner. And so this is a new product that just came out and it's a beautiful looking navy blue shade of eyeliner. And I really like Jkissa. She's a YouTuber who's known for being all cruelty free, and she also doesn't wear foundation. So I really like that. I like to do no foundation days. Clearly today I am not doing one of those, but it's very inspiring. And I actually learned about Jkissa from the Natch Beaut podcast, which I listen to every week and I am such a fan of. So when Jkissa was on the podcast and she talked about this collaboration, I knew that I wanted to support it, so I ordered this from ULTA as soon as I could, and it only cost $5. And of course this is vegan and cruelty free, and Jkissa is also known for very colorful looks, so I felt like this colorful tie-dye t-shirt was appropriate. And this is just such a fun way to add color to your makeup look. So let's just get into it. And let me show you the cute packaging with those little graphics on it. And it has a really nice fine point, but it twists up, which is such an added bonus. So I'm excited to just go ahead and apply this to both my upper and lower lash line and see how it applies, how it looks. It says to apply it to your lash line and then you can either smudge it out or wait 30 seconds for it to set to a budge-proof finish. Which actually, let me swatch it on my hand first. Oh, it does. It just writes beautifully. It glides on. So it's more teal than I expected, which I love. Yay, so I'll let this sit for at least 30 seconds and then we'll see if it's really smudge and budge proof. But now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my eye. And I've mentioned before that I actually really like using pencil eyeliners to line my upper lash line rather than liquid eyeliners. So I'm really happy that she came out with a pencil eyeliner rather than a liquid eyeliner, although the e.l.f. liquid eyeliners are really great. Oh my gosh, but wow, I just applied that so quickly and easily. I love how pointy this is, so it's easy to get a fine line. And oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. And it's a color that can be very fun and really take a look to that next colorful level, and you can mix it in with a bunch of different colors for a really cool look. Or it can also be pretty subtle, where if I just lined my eyes in this blue shade and kept the rest of my makeup as it is, it looks like a nice little pop to my eyes, but still very natural, professional. So I really like the versatility of this eye pencil and of this shade. Oh, so happy with how this is looking. I can't stop looking in the mirror right now. But now I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my lower lash line. And this also says that it's great for the waterline, which I really appreciate because eyeliners never last for more than basically a few seconds in my waterline. Oh, and so easy to apply, but it's not poking my eye at all, so great. And wow, yeah, just look at the difference. This eye with the eyeliner versus this eye without it. I love the emphasis to this eye, but it really is like very wearable. And that's kind of what I was hoping for, because for a product like this, for me to get good use out of it, I can't be doing very colorful looks every day as much as I would love to. I just don't have the time for that. But to be able to just throw on a quick product like this and still have that color and have it be a little bit different, and like I put in some effort and thought into my look, this is perfect for that. But let me know in the comments down below how you would wear a color like this on your eyes. Would you incorporate it with other colors? Would you just wear it alone? And also let me know if you're planning to try anything out from the Jkissa and e.l.f. collaboration. I know that I really want to try out more now. That eyeshadow palette that she came out with has such beautiful colors that I don't even really have in my collection, so I think I need to get my hands on that as well. Oh, and let's see if this is budge proof. It seriously is. Nothing on my finger, absolutely no smudging or fading. And for $5, this is just great quality. It applies so easily and looks beautiful. I am so happy about this. And also I want to mention that my giveaway for celebrating 2,000 subscribers is still open until the 17th. And in the description box down below, I will put the rules and how to enter, and it's so easy. And please enter for your chance to win a $20 ULTA gift card. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.